And then this afternoon, I go out to water some flowers. I turn on the hose, water the flowers, and then I just stood near the sidewalk to make a good puddle for the birds to come and drink and splash around. And anyhow, the water was really fun to look at because it just drew my attention. So I was looking at the water as it's pooling on the sidewalk, and I realized the Lord wants to break in again on the middle of a day since it's just me out there. And all of a sudden, I'm aware that I'm on the beach of maybe the Crystal Sea or a sea anyway. Father is on a horse. Jesus is on his horse. Holy Spirit is on his horse. And I'm sitting right in front of Jesus on his horse. And we're just running with these horses on the shore of the sea. Just enjoying each other, enjoying the beach, enjoying his beautiful heaven, enjoying each other. Just a refreshing moment. Filling my day, filling up the afternoon with their presence. I don't know what all happens during these times, but I do know this. I walk away feeling loved, feeling like I belong to the best family ever, the family of God. You know, it was this desire that Jesus expressed to some of his daughters that he so wants to spend time with us. That's all I needed to know, that he wants these times with us. If it's a want of Jesus, I want it too. And I know you do too. Precious times in his presence. God bless you. Again, have a lovely night.